Really fast. Today's lesson is how to schedule TikToks. Here's the trick though. You got to be on TikTok on desktop. You cannot be on your phone. You cannot do this from your phone. There are third-party apps that allow you to schedule TikToks from your phone, and one I know for sure is later.com. But for this, we can do it for free as long as we do it from desktop. So I'm logged into TikTok.com right here. You can see it. Also working on my homework, obviously. But just this is how different the account looks like from a computer. I'm going to click over to my profile just to show you guys what I'm doing. But we don't actually have to do this to upload. So you can see this. We had some weird thing today where this photo got 0 views and reached nobody. Corey and I are still trying to figure it out, but that's what testing is for, is testing, right? Anyways, let's go to scheduling this. So I'm going to go here, this cloud with the arrow on it. Click that. I can have my caption. I can upload my cover, and I can upload my video here. How do you get photos or videos from your phone to your computer? Using a cloud storage like Google Photos. So essentially, I could go to my Google Photos right now, and download a video that is on my phone because I have them auto-synced, and then upload it here. An extra step, a pain in the butt, but we must do with what we have. Right, here's my schedule. When you schedule a video, the video is saved on our servers before it is posted. All videos posted to TikTok must follow community guidelines. And here's my option to schedule these. So I don't have to be here, military time, confusing, but I don't have to be here in real life. I could schedule this out, and this would post tomorrow if I wanted to. If you wanted to build out batch out content and have it go up when you're not here, this is the solution for you, and it is free, and it is through TikTok.com. You're going to log in, again, little cloud, and then we're going to upload here and click schedule. Then we'll be allowed to schedule once this content is filled out. Hope that helps.